I probably would say Goodshuffle is one of the best systems to use for companies that do need to communicate quickly, have quick turnarounds, and have a big inventory if you have multiple locations. We have found that Goodshuffle is the best for us specifically because we do transport our items from Austin to DFW and pull items from all different locations. And Goodshuffle allows us to be able to know where items are and not make as many client-facing mistakes. Something that's nice about Goodshuffle is that we can allow things that go and get rented out a buffer time before and after, because it gives us time to receive the items, make sure it's good in quality to go up to the next event. Just the aspect of being able to communicate within your teams. So if you have multiple sales people all in orders, it's hard to decipher, who's doing what and all of that. So if you're one of those teams that is very hands-on, everybody's kind of helping each other out, this is a super good system for that. We have pieces in different locations, and realistically, we were trying to be able to track where our inventory was at all times. And Goodshuffle was the only thing that could baseline help us not make mistakes, because at the end of the day, client facing is what matters the most. Even if you have the most coolest AI function, operating system thing, if it doesn't work out client facing, if you make a mistake and you miss this furniture piece that you needed on an order tomorrow is in Austin and you need it for DFW, how are you going to get that to DFW within 24 hours? A no-go. And Goodshuffle for us has been the system that has been the best for client facing. And so for clients, it looks really seamless. It looks really great, which is all that really matters for us.